So this is the password to the internet. And how do you say it?
Przystanek Cukiernie 2019.
Welcome to Poland. Oh my gosh. Good morning. Wow, it feels good to kind of start the vlog in my own language for once. I'm used to pushing record on the camera in the very beginning of the day and boom, speaking Polish instantly. And I answered the phone with someone saying cześć, and they're like, Luke? I'm like, oh, sorry, I'm getting too used to it. But good morning, cześć, dzień dobry, hola. Hope everyone is doing great today. Here in Gdansk, second day in a row the sun has been out. I almost don't even recognize this city. Kind of a very unsure day today. I'm here. I was supposed to go yesterday, but I extended one night, then I extended another night, and now I think maybe not extending anymore, actually maybe even leaving earlier today here in a couple hours if I can find a last minute train ticket. But first I have to make my last little traditional place where I always go for breakfast. Cześć. Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry, co ma być?
Jak się masz?
Dobrze.
Dobrze.
A jak ty?
Dobrze,
Też
dobrze,
No
dobrze.
Co dajemy? Ile?
Cherries.
Ile?
Half kilo.
Half kilo, dobra.
Muszę jechać, bo zaraz kurier przyjeżdża.
Nie. It's for you. Nie. Nie, it's for you.
And one coke.
Dziękuję bardzo. Do widzenia. I love that place, and the people are so nice there. It's a shame I'm leaving today. I go there every single day. If they ever watch this, dziękuję bardzo. Dziękuję bardzo. And I will speak Polish better next time I'm back here. Okay, now you could probably guess. Yeah, classic traditional stop here, eat, think, and try to find a train ticket to good to go. Okay, all packed up, all checked out. A little sad to be leaving. Wish I stayed more time. Would have been nice the weather was a little bit more hotter so I could spend more time at the beach. I didn't really go there that much. And yeah, Gdansk, everyone I met here, Gdynia, opener, of course, oh my goodness. I hope by now I've made a little video for everyone that I met at opener. And it is off to the next place if I make the train. I'm running a little bit late. I have a feeling this train is a lot better than the one that I came up here in. Oh my goodness, it's good to have some space. More space, and this one has air conditioning. I understand what you guys are saying. Take the better trains. I just have no idea when I'm booking them. But it should be an hour and a half train ride. It's an hour and a half train ride, then like a 40-minute wait or an hour wait, then another 38-minute train ride. That's the plan so far. Okay, so finally arrived. I have no idea how to say the name of the city, but I will try to say it because I know you guys like when I do it. Yo, this is the name of the city. I have no idea how you say it. Big gorgeous Łówna. Yeah, I know all the Polish people watching this are laughing at me, but I have no idea. I have no idea how to say the name of the city. Not the final destination, but this is the layover place for 41 minutes. I have 41 minutes to kill, but I like to at least step foot outside of the train station. I have no idea how to exit this place. So people ask me, what am I doing? Just blending in. Just blending in. I say, this is not the final destination, but there's like a 41 minute delay, so I at least can walk around for 5 minutes. 5 minutes at least, before I get sidetracked and lose track of time. To give a quick little look here. And I think that's the end of this little tour. Starting to rain, windy. I left one place when the sun comes out and I arrived at the other place as the rain is coming here. Calling an audible. Dziękuję bardzo. Yes. When I come back here, and I will speak better Polish. Next time. I try, yeah? So this is the password to the internet. And how do you say it?
Przystanek Cukiernie 2019.
Welcome to Poland. And definitely made a mistake. Thought my train was at another time. Literally just made my train by like 2 minutes. I thought it was at 38. I thought it was at 38, it was at 22. It was at 19 when I looked at my phone. Okay, but the most important thing is made on the train. No cinematics. I'm tired. We're gonna spin. Yes, we are here. We are here. And I'm so excited. Roxana, if you're watching, pleasure to meet you. Okay, so right outside of the train station now, I gotta figure out a lot of my skills here. Gotta figure my way to the center. I think I'm gonna I think I gotta cross a bridge. I kind of remember this from before. It's been about maybe 3 or 4 years since I've been here. 4 years. And the first time I came here, 5 years actually. And the first time I came here, mosquitoes. And the first time I came here was the first time I was in Poland. And this is the city where those people were from. So, I'm gonna take a taxi. Okay, so all checked into the room, everything is all good. Actually, things are better than good. Great view, which is what you want when you're staying in a place in a city. But I kind of think on that note, I don't feel like I can just end the vlog just like this. I feel like I gotta at least walk around, see for myself, show you guys as well at the same time. A little bit of touring here in the center. Well, at night, so it won't be the best lighting, but you understand. The city's alive. The city's alive, and the sun's not even out, and people are out. Wow, and like I say, it's so crazy to be back here. Because the first time I came to Poland, if you guys have watched the group, the reason why I came to Poland, the people who I met in Mallorca on that island, and they invited me to Poland, this is where they were actually from, and this is where they invited me to. And they left me alone for like the day. I was with them the whole time in Warsaw and Krakow. No, with them in Warsaw, with them in Gdansk and Gdynia and Sopot. When we came to tour in their hometown, they spent a lot of time with their family, and they kind of left me alone, like just kind of walking around. It was my first time in Poland. I remember just walking around here, and I was like in Poland, a place I'd never been before, knew nothing about. And I remember how nervous, like crazy nervous I was, and just like walking the street and just like, I don't know what to do. It's such a different feeling when you look at where you started and where you are now. It's usually like, you know what I mean? It's weird, sorry, I'm trying to like tell you guys a story at this, but I'm bringing back too much emotion for me to talk about. This is my first time here. So I fell in love with Poland, you know, here in Torun. You know, I guess the crazy thing is because, you know, these people were so nice to me. You know, there was almost Like, they were just nice to me. They invited me to their country. They showed me around. They got me tickets to go to all these places, brought me to where their family is. I ate with their families. It was a group of 5 people. And at that whole week that we all were together, I must have been in contact with so many of them. And it was just like, it was such an amazing gesture. And sometimes you don't know those little things that happen, how big they are in the long term of things. Something that was just a little trip with some people I met in Mallorca and had fun with for a couple days would turn into me just loving their country and coming to their country. And so many doors have opened. I met so many people all because of that little small event that happened. And it's just like, yeah, man, sometimes I'm a little bit shocked about it, I guess. You know, it's, yeah, this place, a little bit, get a little emotional. We're gonna just go back to walking around. Yeah, this is the place. I think I kind of went the wrong way to get all the way down there. Always something going on here in Poland. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. And if I can remember correctly, if you guys do come to tour and you have this right here, the city's on this side, the place to go is on the other side right there. There's like an amazing viewpoint of the city. Hope you guys can hear me. Maybe I'll go over there tomorrow if I have time and I don't run out, but I feel like this is a great place to end the vlog. Touring is like, for me, it's like one of the beginnings. It's where my whole journey, everything kind of started here. It was the second city I saw after Warsaw, and it's just like, wow, you know, the impact has been monumental in my life, and being able to share it with you guys was because of that, you know. And it's just, I'm happy to be back here. Happy to be back, but I'm a little bit exhausted, gonna walk around. It's been a long day. Doesn't feel like it's been a long couple days, but I want to thank you guys for sticking through and leaving your comments and questions. And I'm gonna do a Q&A coming up soon. And I don't know, I sometimes just feel really humbled and thankful for you guys. And yeah, I want to thank you for you guys. And I think that, you know, I think you guys should know that. I might say it 1,000 times, but I'll keep on saying it because I really mean it. And thank you guys again so much for everything. And I'll speak to you guys later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.